Hi everyone, this is Chic Panda Interiors. Today we'll be teaching you how to decorate for the fall season, transforming this living room and versatile gray leather sofa bed from sofabedstore.com into the perfect harvest-themed interior. Starting with this wall, we're going to stick these cute Dollar Tree fall leaves all over to create a vibrant, colorful design on the wall. Now we have this fall wreath from Ross as our centerpiece and focal. Next, we have this beautiful fall-themed cushion with pumpkins on it, also from Ross, tying in perfectly with our look. Now, the shelf. If you saw a previous Halloween video, then you probably recognize this glittery pumpkin from Ross for the glitz and glamour, and these little Dollar Tree pumpkins. But this time, we're pairing them with a homegrown gourd for the harvest vibes, to add a bit of authenticity. Here's the side table, which we're decorating with this homemade gourd vase for that all-natural look, and our favorite sunflowers, which are a colorful yellow pop. Fits the palette perfectly. And here we've got another original photo by Chic Panda Interiors of Zion National Park. The main table. First, we have this shiny fall leaf placemat from Dollar Tree, which just fits the theme wonderfully. Now we have a basket for that rustic style, and some fruits, more gourds, a little ribbon flower, and more fruits. Great way to store and display your produce at the same time. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos like this. Special shout out to our one subscriber out there.